If you assumed cloves were solely for culinary use, think again. Have you ever considered scattering cloves by the door, window, near the trash, or even under the bed? This tip is sure to please and resolve various issues. In this brief video, we aim to demonstrate the usefulness of incorporating cloves in different areas of the house. All you'll need are standard cloves. While natural cloves suffice, grinding them intensifies the scent and allows for broader coverage. Grind 1 or more spoonfuls of cloves and transfer the powder into a container. We'll showcase 3 methods of using them shortly. But before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to access our latest videos. It's absolutely free. Thank you. Spread the ground cloves in front of doors, windows, room corners, or near the trash. Curious why? You'll discover the answer shortly, so stay tuned till the end of the video. If you prefer not to sprinkle, another method involves wrapping clove powder in foil to create small packets. Poke holes in them to release the scent without waste. Position these fragrant packets behind doors, windows, next to the trash, under the bed, on pillows, inside closets, and in various other spots. The final method entails mixing cloves with warm water, letting them dissolve for several hours, straining the solution, and filling a sprayer. Why all this effort? Cloves, containing eugenol, possess a potent scent and taste, acting as a natural repellent against an array of insects like ants, moths, flies, mosquitoes, and more. Apart from repelling insects, cloves offer additional benefits. For instance, if you're troubled by a neighbor's cats using your garden as a litter box, a cloves and water solution can deter them. Cats detest the scent of cloves and will steer clear of your garden. Additionally, cloves serve as a natural mosquito repellent. Apply a few drops to your skin for protection against pesky mosquitoes. As evident, cloves offer numerous advantages from just a tablespoon of this aromatic spice. Your home will be secure and you'll relish peace and comfort. Thank you for tuning in to Natural Remedies.